Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we are going to be removing and reinstalling a front door panel in a 2006 Subaru Impreza WRX. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. All right, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take this trim piece right off here. Use a trim tool. We sell these tools at 1aauto.com. Just get in behind here, pry it out. There's 3 retainers. Next, before we pull this door panel out, we have a screw down in here. We're going to pull this cover off with a flat blade tool. Just get in under here and pry up. And there's a Phillips head screw right there. Take a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull this screw out. And we can grab right here and pull up. Pull the switches out. There's a clip right under here. If you need a trim tool, just pry up. There's the clip right there. We can disconnect these electrical connectors. Just push down, terminal, pull it out. And then with this one, the little lock is in there a little bit, so I'll use a flat blade tool to help me. And then just work it back and forth, pull that out. We can set those aside. Then we need to take this trim piece off of this handle. You take a flat blade tool, stick it in there, and take the trim tool, get under here, pry this out like that. There's a connector right there, and these little tabs. Click onto there. Take that out. And we're going to take the trim tool, and in between this weather stripping, the door panel, we'll just pry in underneath here, and there's clips. Just go around the door panel, popping these clips out. Go around here. Just like that. Once all the clips are out, you can grab the door panel and just pull up, pull it out of our way. All right, we're gonna reinstall the door panel. We're gonna get it lined up top first. It helps to have the window down when you're doing this. And we're gonna line the clips up. And then we'll press them down. Okay, we have our wiring connectors out. We can connect our mirror switch, and connect our window switches. Make sure those are locked in. You can take that, push that down, and then we'll take our Phillips head screw, reinstall that. Just snug that down and close the lid. Now we can install this trim piece. Line this up over here. And just clip it into place. And this last one, line these little tabs up over here and push it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.